Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing App Store Connect and your app target. Open the app record and enable in-app purchases. Create product identifiers now and match each to a SKU in your code so you avoid mismatches later. Once done, add payment and tax details, then create sandbox tester accounts for immediate verification. Make sure to upload a build signed with the right provisioning profile. This ensures the store kit flow will reach your listed products during testing and review. You implement the store kit purchase flow by requesting SK products with your identifiers and presenting clear prices to users. Then, add SK payment to the SK payment queue and listen for transaction updates. Handle purchased, failed, restored, and deferred states explicitly. Once a transaction completes, fetch and verify the receipt, either on device for simpler apps or server-side for security, then unlock content and finish the transaction. Make sure to implement restore purchases and you finish by thoroughly testing end-to-end with sandbox accounts and a test flight build, verifying purchases, restores, and subscription renewals. Then upload the final binary, link the in-app purchases to the submission, and provide clear metadata and screenshots so reviewers understand the flow. Once submitted, monitor reviews and analytics. If things go wrong, check transaction logs, receipt validation responses, sandbox account state, and that product ID match App Store Connect. Often a mismatch or missing tax/payment info blocks approval.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.